Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's look at a few shortcut keys. The one I am about to show you are extremely useful and my personal favorites. Let's get started. We try to do our best and name our layers as we go, but sometimes, let's face it, we forget or don't even bother. When you work on big or intricate projects, working with multiple layers is a must. This allows you to assign a specific shape or color to a specific layer. Then, at any time during the design process, you can get back to it and edit whatever is in there. However, if you don't rename your layers and end up with 30 to 50 layers, it may be harder to remember where everything is. In the layer dockers, we are given the opportunity to preview the content of our layers. Using this slider, we can even increase the size of the preview window. However, again, if you have 30 to 50 layers and your eyes are tired, it may take you a while to find what you are looking for. There is a faster and easier way to get what you need. Holding the R key on your keyboard, click on the color or shape that you want to edit, and it will take you to the exact layer where it is located. For this demonstration, I selected a pencil brush. The opacity is at 30%, the flow at 25%, and the size at 10 pixels. Usually, to erase part of a drawing or painting, we use the shortcut E on the keyboard to activate the erasing mode of the brush. However, here is a problem. The brush settings don't change. If I try to erase this line, for example, it's going to take me a while. The settings are too weak. Also, the brush size is too small. I need to increase both opacity and flow to 100% and increase the size of the brush to achieve a faster and cleaner removal. Alright, now time to get back to the painting mode. As you already know, to get back to that mode, we just need to click E once more. Here again, the settings did not change, so I need to manually reset the pencil brush. Drawing or painting requires a lot of back and forth between the brush and the eraser. So can you imagine if you had to do this process 100 times? This would drive you mad. So what can we do? There is a trick. Start with a pencil, and when it is time to erase, don't hit the eraser mode. Instead, pick up an eraser brush. Make sure that the opacity and flow are set to 100%, and maybe pick a size that you mostly won't need to change too often. When it is time to get back to the pencil, hit the slash key on your keyboard. This gets you back to the pencil. Hit the slash key again and it gets back to the eraser. Now, if you are painting using a bristle brush, you may want to pick another bristle brush to act as your eraser. Just make sure to set the opacity and flow to 100% and pick a size. But most importantly, make sure that you activate the eraser mode. Before I start this demonstration, make sure to watch the slider as I keep hitting the keys. Hit the letter I on your keyboard to decrease the opacity of your brush. Hit the letter O to increase the opacity of your brush. This last shortcut is a combination of keys. This will be most useful for those of you who manipulate photographs. To desaturate an image, hit Ctrl-Shift+U. And we are done for today. I have created a list of shortcuts and posted it on my website. If you want to download the PDF, I'll include a link in the description box. I'll see you next time. Until then, have a wonderful week. Au revoir et à bientôt.